So I know you see this head, y'all. I was rushed out the house. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, welcome back. In today's video, y'all, I finally did my hair because y'all seen how my shit was looking before, right? So Carl has something planned. I don't know what he has planned. He just told me to bring my camera because I'm like, damn, I haven't got no content. It's been almost a week. Like, I'm trying to stay consistent, y'all. I'm really trying to stay consistent. So we're gonna see what he has in store. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe, and let's just continue to keep watching. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the building. I have no idea where I'm going, but we're gonna see what this is. Not sure what this is.
He booked you like the special we have going on.
Oh. Guys, this is what my skin is looking like after the hydrojelly facial and the dermaplaning. Emily was great, y'all. She did her thing. I would definitely recommend if you guys come to the Toledo area. She was really informative about a lot of stuff, and y'all, I've always wanted this dermaplaning done, and Carlton hooked it up. So wow, look at that, the glow. She even had said it. She was like, oh, once we get done doing this, she was like, you're not going to be able to like keep your hands off your skin. I haven't touched my face yet. I will touch my face though this evening when I go in and wash my face.